upwind 10, homestead. Homestead Cessna 150 is holding short runway 10, any traffic on base and house, please be advised. Homestead traffic.
Homestead traffic, helicopter 74460, turning base runway 10, Homestead.
Homestead Cessna 152 is taking the active runway 10, Homestead traffic. Homestead traffic, Skylane turning left, crosswind 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, helicopter 74460, turning final runway 10.
Homestead Jumbo, we'll be skydiving in 2 minutes southeast corner, please use caution, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Skylane is turning left downwind 10, touch and go, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 152 on upwind runway 10, Homestead traffic.
Homestead traffic, Skylane on end of downwind 10, any traffic on base or final, please advise. Homestead traffic, Skylane 2 for November, short approach, runway 10, Homestead. Homestead traffic, Skylane left base 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, helicopter 74460, on the go runway 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Skylane turning final 10, short approach, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 152 on crosswind runway 10, Homestead traffic.
Alright.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 152 on downwind runway 10, Homestead traffic. Homestead traffic, helicopter 74460, downwind left and runway 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 150, taking the active runway 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Skylane upwind 10, Homestead.
Alright, full power. A little bit of wing
Homestead,
correction.
Skylane left crosswind, Homestead.
Airspeed is allowed.
Skydiving in progress, southeast
60.
corner.
Rotate.
Homestead traffic, helicopter 74460, turn in place, runway 10, Homestead.
Cessna 152 is on a left base, runway 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Skyline turning left downwind 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, helicopter 74460, turning final 10, Homestead. I will do auto rotation and then continue.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 150, turning crosswind, 10 Homestead.
The General, open parachute, southeast corner, please caution, Homestead.
Marker 03 Charlie Delta, 10 mile final GPS 35, will join us downwind for 17, Marker. Homestead traffic, Skyline turning left base 10, touch and go, Homestead.
Homestead Cessna 122 on the short final in the 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, helicopter 74460 on the go, runway 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, turning downwind, Cessna 150, 10 Homestead.
Marco traffic, November 64791, 4 miles south of Field, wind joint, left downwind to runway 17.
Homestead traffic, Skyline turning final 10, touch and go, Homestead.
Coming up in the numbers. Sharpie cold. Reduce power. Wide arc. 10-degree flat.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 152 at Alpha 3, taxiing to runway 10, Homestead traffic. Homestead traffic, helicopter 74460, downwind left turn runway 10, Homestead.
And Homestead General, start up caravan 1 mile northeast and will be turning left traffic 10, Homestead.
Caravan traffic.
Left downwind to runway 17, Marco traffic.
Hops traffic, Cessna 150, short final. Downwind. Hops traffic, Cessna 150. Turning final. 10 Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Skyline upwind 10, Homestead.
Homestead Cessna 122 is taxiing to runway 18 for simulated crosswind vehicles and landing. Homestead traffic.
Homestead traffic, helicopter 74460, turning base runway 10, Homestead.
And Homestead General, caravans just joined left downwind 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Skyline turning left crosswind 10, Homestead.
Pattern in Marco Island, 7901.
Homestead traffic, helicopter 74460, turning final, runway 10, I'll be number 2, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Skyline 2 for November is left crosswind 10, climbing to 1500, leaving the pattern to the north. Let's go, Homestead, good day.
Homestead General, caravan left base 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 150, clear runway 10, Homestead.
Uniform is 5 to the northwest of Homestead inbound for landing. Runway in use. Homestead traffic helicopter 74460 on the go, runway 10. And Homestead Caravan, short funnel 10, full stop Homestead.
Homestead Cessna 152 is approaching hold short for runway 18 for simulated crosswind takeoffs and landings. Homestead traffic.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 172 is 4 to the north of Homestead inbound for landing for runway
3010. Homestead General Aviation Airport, automated weather observation 1733 Zulu, weather, wind 100 at 10, visibility more than 10, sky condition few clouds at 3200, temperature 25 Celsius, 2.19 Celsius, altimeter 3010. Homestead General Aviation Airport, automated weather observation 1733 Zulu, weather, wind 100 at 11, visibility more than 10, sky condition few clouds at 3200, temperature 25 Celsius, 2.19 Celsius, altimeter 3010. Homestead General Aviation Airport, automated weather observation 1734 Zulu, weather, wind 1.
Under the traffic, Cessna 172 is 4 to the northwest of Homestead, heading east.
Lights, camera, action.
And Homestead, how many airplanes are doing the approaches on runway 10 Homestead traffic?
10.
Only one? President, who's making an approach on runway 10, what's the position right now?
Homestead traffic, 1302 uniform, 2 to the north of Homestead, will join midfield downwind for runway 10. Anybody in the crossing or downwind, please advise.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 150, taking the active runway 10, Homestead.
Homestead Cessna 152 is landing on runway 36 for simulating crosswind landing. Homestead traffic.
Speed is alive.
Now 172 is entering midfield downwind for runway
40, 50, 60, rotate.
Homestead traffic ladder departing runway 9 to Homestead.
Now 152 will be making a simulated landing, crosswind landing on runway 18, keeping the other traffic in sight for runway 10 Homestead traffic.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 150, turning crosswind 10, Homestead.
traffic, Cessna 132 is left base for runway 10, taxing to Homestead.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 152 is on a right downwind for runway 18. I have the engine on the base for runway 10 inside.
Mark Island traffic, stock 5431 is 3 to the north. We're going to be planning on a right downwind entry to runway 35, full stop, Marco Island.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 150 downwind, 10 Homestead.
Cessna 152 is turning right base for runway 10 and I have the airplane on the base and 2 finals for runway 10 inside.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 132 is turning final for runway 10, taxing to Homestead.
Alright, coming up in the numbers.
Homestead, General,
Copy, Cole.
Kilo, we're 2 miles west of the airport, flying northeastbound, 2,000 feet. Not going to overfly the field though. Homestead.
Wide arc.
Homestead Cessna 152 is on the right base for runway simulated run crosswind landing for runway 18 and I have the airplane on the downwind and the finals inside.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 150, turning base 10 Homestead.
Homestead Cessna 152 is turning for finals for runway 18 Homestead.
The airport, 800. Marathon traffic helicopter 829 Alpha Kilo, just north of the field, going to be westbound 300. Dive 5434 is on a right downwind for runway 35, full stop, Marco.
Yeah, bogey traffic got an arrow 8 miles to the southeast. Traffic advisory, please.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 150, turning final, 10 Homestead.
Homestead Cessna 152 has landed on runway 18, full stop, Homestead traffic.
Homestead Cessna 172, can you tell me what is the active runway new?
Runway 10.
Less than down for 7.
Okay.
Left crossing for runway 10, remain in the pattern Homestead. Traffic is 172 joining. Right downwind for runway 10, Homestead traffic. Last call, we are using left crosswind and left downwind for runway 10 at Homestead. Homestead traffic, glider 2.5 mile northeast to the airport, joining close in left downwind, runway 9, sir, Homestead. Homestead 2 miles northwest to Homestead Airport, joining for left downwind for runway 10, Homestead traffic.
Homestead Cessna 152 is taxiing to runway 18 from Bravo 3 for simulated crosswind takeoff and will be landing on runway 36, Homestead traffic.
Homestead traffic, glider 2.5 left base, final runway 9, sir, Homestead. Homestead Cessna 172 joining for mid downwind for runway 10, Homestead traffic. Homestead traffic, Cessna 172 will be turning left base
for runway 10 Homestead.